begin this training, it is important to distinguish between the two different types of film, stretch and oriented. Stretch film, as the name suggests, must be stretched manually when preparing a palette, and therefore requires more physical effort. Oriented film, on the other hand, is pre-stretched and therefore much easier to put in place. We can hold the palette together just as efficiently, but with much less physical exertion required. For this demonstration, we will use pre-stretched film. Make sure you identify the two sides of the film, the sticky side towards the inside of the palette and the slippery side facing outwards. Once you've identified the two sides, wedge the film between two boxes at the bottom of the palette. To make the palette as sturdy as possible, circle it twice around its base. For your own comfort, don't forget to do this walking forwards rather than backwards. Then work your way up the palette, making sure you double up by 15 to 20 centimeters. Now, if we compare to stretch film, we can see that it requires much more energy, which, in the long term, makes work more tiring. Now back to the pre-stretched variety. When you reach the top, place your roll horizontally and circle the palette twice to make sure it is sturdy. This method requires fewer circles, so we can save miles of film. Then, place your roll vertically to finish wrapping your palette. Once you're done, cut the film and stick it to the palette. The sticky side is enough to hold it in place.